Hey friends! Today I'm gonna show you how to draw fur in Autodesk Sketchbook. We are not going to use any custom brush, so you would be able to draw any furry character like a fur ball, a rabbit, or your own furry monster. So let's get started. Select the felt pen brush and draw a perfect circle by activating Draw Styles tool. Fill in the circle with solid black color. Then fill the circle with color you want your fur to be. Here I am going to use pink color. And then lock the layer transparency. You can apply this technique to draw any furry object. We will be using the shading technique so that our fur will have a layered look. Create patches of light to dark shades of pink using the felt pen brush. Here, as we have locked the layer transparency, the color will not go outside the circle. Now once the patches are ready, select the blending tool and blend the patches smoothly to create a perfect sphere. Now, once we have our layout ready and we are all set to add our fur. So for adding fur, we will use the colorless web brush tool. As I promised, we will be using the default brush only. Hence, I resetted the brush setting to default. Now, start making smooth strokes in the direction of light. As we have already used the shaded sphere, the fur will automatically have a layered look and we need not use any other color to give it a 3D effect. You can see how layered our fur is coming to be. Now I am going to add cute little face and little hands to our fur ball so he can keep smiling at us. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Tag me on Instagram when you create your awesome furry characters. I would just love to see your artwork. Till then, keep drawing. Bye bye.